I replaced 3 laptops with 1, and it actually works. You know that feeling when you're juggling a million things and your laptop just gives up on you? Yes, I have been there. I am Levi. I am a 23-year-old software engineer, content creator, and gamer. And for the longest time, I've been stuck switching between multiple machines just to get through my day. One for coding, one for editing, and one for gaming. That was all until I got my hands on the Lenovo Legion Pro 5i. With the Intel Core Ultra 9 chip and 32 gigs of RAM, I can now run and compile code all day without breaking a sweat, and later jump into DaVinci Resolve to make crazy fusion edits on 4K footage. And I must say, the 16-inch OLED display does make color grading feel like cheating. Did I also mention that this thing is customizable? It is also customizable. You're able to customize the device by selecting things like the processor, storage, and GPU, so it is a custom-built PC without you actually having to build a PC. That is so amazing. Then at night, I can game like the laptop was actually built for it, because it was. With the RTX 5070 GPU, I can run the most graphic intense game out there like Alan Wake 2 or Cyberpunk at their highest resolutions. Now here's the thing, most machines can only do one of those 3 things well, but the Legion does all 3 without breaking a sweat. I can fulfill all of my wants, being a software engineer, content creator, and gamer, all on one machine, the Lenovo Legion, without feeling like I'm missing out on anything. If you're someone who wears a lot of hats like I do, the Lenovo Legion fits right into that lifestyle. For a limited time, use the code SBLegion5 to get an extra 5% off all Legion laptops on Lenovo.com.